subject in the modern world. Its importance cannot be overlooked. Mathematics is the language of science, technology, engineering, finance, information, and medical industry. In business and job research, mathematics is important in the world. And we are about to explore its importance of mathematics.
Mathematics is essential in science, technology. Mathematics is used in chemistry, in science, technology to the model and analyze complex systems, make predictions, and solve problems. Without mathematics, many of us technology advancements we enjoy today, such as smartphones, computers, and the internet would be
Mathematics is an essential in finance and business. Mathematics plays a critical role in finance and business where it is used to calculate interest rates, analyze data, and make prediction about market trends. It is also used to develop statistical modes that help business make informed decisions.
Mathematics is essential in medicine. Mathematics is used to medicines to develop models and simulations of biological systems, analyze medical data, and develop its new treatments and therapies of disease.
Mathematics is essential in engineering. Mathematics is used in STEM in engineering. We decide to develop the new technologies from bridges. But wait, there's more.
The parts and mathematics is essential in everyday life because when calculating cost of production. In conclusions, mathematics is an essential subject in the modern world, and its importance cannot be overstated. It is a foundational subject that underpins many fields and disciplines, and it is a critical skill that everyone should have to navigate.
So before we end this video, by the way, I'm Decadent Rian.
I am Decadent Ogor.
I'm Decadent Beha.
I am Decadent Papalin.
I'm Decadent Gayas, and we are signing off. Good.